Today we're going to be making spicy tofu. Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. When you go to the store to pick out your tofu, it'll look something like this. What we're looking for is a traditional tofu. Make sure you don't pick up a smooth tofu because it won't fry as well in the pan. We're going to be making our own spicy sauce for the tofu. We'll need 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of white sesame, 2 to 3 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, 3 to 5 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of Sichuan red pepper. Put the red pepper flakes in a bowl along with the garlic, and if you want, you can add a little bit of green onion. In a pan, put about 3/4 of a cup of oil, add your Sichuan red pepper and the sesames. Cook the peppers and sesames over medium to high heat until the sesames turn golden brown. When it's done, we'll be adding the hot oil mixture to a bowl of red pepper flakes and garlic. And here I'm going to pause. I want to emphasize to everyone that you do not pour hot oil into a bowl that's just ordinary glass. You either have to use a metal bowl or an oven-safe bowl like a Cornware bowl. If you don't, there's a possibility that the hot oil will make the glass explode. Then in our pepper bowl, we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and the 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Lastly, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water just to add a bit more volume. Mix it thoroughly and set it aside to add to our tofu later. Now back to the tofu. Remember, we don't want any soft tofu because it'll break apart in the pan faster than your sister's relationship with her boyfriend when she found him texting his ex. Rinse the tofu in the sink and then slice it long ways and then widthwise in nice even pieces. In the next step, you'll coat your tofu with cornstarch and then dip them in an egg wash. Then in a well-oiled pan over medium to high heat, we'll start frying our individual tofu pieces. Make sure you don't place them too close together or they'll stick together worse than that cheerleader clique that bullied you in high school. Fry them on both sides until they're golden brown, just like little square pancakes. When they're all done, we'll transfer them to a new clean non-stick pan, and here we'll add in our spicy pepper sauce that we created before. Over medium heat, stir and coat the tofu thoroughly. As a last step, if you want to, you can add a few diced green onions. And your spicy tofu is done. Here we've plated it as a complete meal along with rice, Chinese cabbage, and Chinese salt and pepper shrimp, the recipes for which are in our playlist. Let us know if you've tried any of these dishes and how they turned out in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.